Today in front of me I have a Huawei Nova 10 Pro, and in this video I would like to share and show the top 5 Pro tips and features for this device. So the first feature slash function that we were to highlight today is the Fingerprint ID screen lock method. In order to set it up, you gotta enter the biometrics and password category of settings, then go for the dedicated Fingerprint ID section. Prior to enrolling any biometrical way of locking the screen, it is also required that you set up some backup screen lock method as well. The list of available methods you can choose from is 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. I'll go with pattern. Draw the pattern that I will use, then confirm it. And after that, we'll be able to start enrolling the fingerprint. So in here, choose for what you'll want to particularly use the Fingerprint ID for. As of right now, I'll simply go with unlock device solely. Then start adding the fingerprint. It's a relatively easy process. Just lay and lift your fingerprint onto the scanner that is located right over here. Make sure to slightly rotate it in accordance with the image that you'll see right here, which will highlight the zones that it would like to scan in particular. So lay and lift your finger, make sure that every corner, every zone of it is correctly and fully scanned. Then the final step of scanning is confirming the outer zones of your fingerprint. So I'll quickly just lay the part of the fingerprint that is blinking at the fingerprint icon. As you can see, finally the enrollment process has been successfully finalized. Now we can use the fingerprint in order to unlock the screen. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, it works very, very fast. So it is impressively swift and works just fine. The second feature for this video is located at the same category of settings. It's the second biometrical way you can lock your screen with, that is face recognition. So let's go ahead and enroll it as well. It is way easier to add up the facial data. You just gotta scan your face and putting it inside this square frame, which I'll do off the screen real quick. Already, my face has been successfully scanned and added to the list. So let's go ahead and test how well the Face ID works on it. As you can see right now, my face is not aligned with the selfie camera, therefore the unlock does not happen. But the second I align my camera with my actual face, the screen gets unlocked without any issues at all. Let's test it out a few more times. You will be able to tell that the display gets unlocked by looking at this lock icon at the top part of your display, which gets opened once the unlock attempt is successful. Already works just fine. So great success. Moving on to the next feature that is located at the display and brightness category. So let me just answer it real quick. It is this little not so feature, rather the option or configuration allows you to change the screen resolution. You can set it to be either low, which in particular means the resolution of 800 by 1768, or you can set it to be high, which will mean the 1200 by 2652 resolution. Or you can also set it to be smart, thus it will automatically switch between the two mentioned values in accordance with the current state of your power left. So basically, as you could already guess, the high value will get you more resolution, thus the better visual quality of everything, while the lower resolution value will simply save some power. So choose what value suits your needs the best at any given moment, and choose wisely. The next feature, the next option is also located at the display and brightness category. It is called the screen refresh rate, and it allows you to switch between two values of screen refresh rate. Those values are 60 and 120 Hz. So the deal is pretty much the same. The high value of 120 will get you smoother and silkier visuals and, well, higher refresh rate of the picture, of the image you'll see, while the standard 60 Hz value will simply save you the power or left battery health. If you want to, you can switch between those two refresh rates manually, or you can just go for the dynamic mode. So the system will automatically choose what value fits your current situation the best. Alrighty, and the fifth and final feature that we were to highlight in this video is located at the home screen and wallpaper category of settings. It is a very well-known feature that is called Always On Display. Once enabled, it will display some crucial information even once your screen is completely locked and turned off. So in order to activate this function, you gotta switch this toggle on, then choose what display mode you would like to have it in. So tap to show, set some time frames for it to be automatically activated and unactivated, as well as permanently or all day. Next, you can choose the design that you would like to go for. The Huawei system provides you with quite a few presets and designs for the AOD by default from the start, so the choice is very wide. As you can see, you can set some custom images, graffiti, artistic, analog clock designs, and digital clock designs. You can also either download your custom AODs and well, set them to be the AOD theme, or you can also go for the more button and browse the store of AODs over here. That is created by, well, another Huawei users for you. Let me just choose something from the free tab. I'll go with this one, let's say. So I'll just download it. In order to do that, I gotta, well, confirm my Huawei ID credentials, so will not bother. I'll just set something from the default presets. I'll go, you know what, I'll go with this analog liquid-alike clock. You can choose the style for it as well as what color of this little fluid you would like to have. If you'll go for other designs, you'll be able to choose whether you would like to see the date or notifications and battery. You know what, I've actually changed my mind. I'll go for the completely other design. Yeah, what an inconsistent person I am. I'll go for the digital clocks that displays the bird and set it to show the date and notification and battery. Then just tap on apply, and once we turn the screen off, we'll be able to see the very minimalistic, very cool and organic looking always on display. Alrighty, so that will be not only for the AOD but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.